The Ugadi box office race just took a surprising turn, and it's creating a lot of excitement among movie fans. A big change happened after the makers of Toxic, starring Yash, officially postponed the film's release date. Toxic was originally planned to release on March 19, 2026, but now the film will arrive later on June 4, 2026. The movie is directed by Geetu Mohandas and it was one of the most highly anticipated releases of the year. However, the makers said they had to delay the film because of the escalating conflict in the Middle East following the US-Israel strike on Iran. The Gulf region is a very important overseas market for the film's big multilingual global release, but because the situation has affected cinema operations in several key territories, the team decided it was safer to move the release date. And the movement Toxic stepped away from the March 19th slot. A big opportunity opened up. That slot falls right in the middle of the Ugadi and Ramzan festive period, one of the most profitable times for Telugu cinema. Within hours, the trade circles in Hyderabad started asking the same question. Will Pawan Kalyan step in with his film? And now the answer is official. The makers of Ustad Bhagat Singh have confirmed that the movie will arrive a full week earlier than planned and take over the March 19th Ugadi release slot. The team made the announcement very clearly on social media with the line, "E Ugadi ki Ustad Uchankunta." They also confirmed that the film will have a grand worldwide release on March 19, 2026. For fans, this is a perfect festive treat because the film is directed by Harish Shankar, marking his second collaboration with Pawan Kalyan after their 2012 blockbuster Gabbar Singh. The cast also includes Sri Leela and Rashi Khanna in the lead roles, along with supporting actors R. Pratibhan and Ashutosh Rana. Another interesting development happened recently regarding the film's music. The production house Maitri Movie Makers revealed that composer Devi Sri Prasad, also known as DSP, couldn't finish the background score on time. But the reason was quite unusual. The producers openly admitted that the delay happened because they themselves sent the film reels late. In their statement, they said, due to our delay in finalizing and sending reels for background score to DSP, we are unable to match his timeline. They also added that DSP tried his best to adjust the schedule, but because of his earlier commitments, it became impossible to complete the background score. So now another popular composer, S. Tamman, has stepped in to handle the background score of the film. However, DSP is still very much part of the project. He has already composed the songs including Dekh Lenge and Aura of Ustad, which have already connected strongly with audiences. The makers say this combination, DSP for songs and Tamman for the background score, brings two stalwart musicians together toward one shared goal. With Toxic moving away and the festive window wide open, the Ugadi box office now clearly belongs to Ustad Bhagat Singh. The team is also planning a grand pre-release event on March 18th, and premiere shows are expected to start the same night. So, what began as a sudden postponement for one big film has now turned into a massive opportunity for another. And this Ugadi, all eyes will be on Pawan Kalyan's Ustad to see how big this celebration at the box office will be.